Today we are making microwave mochi ice cream with matcha. This makes 8 servings and takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Soft, chewy mochi with a creamy green tea center, straight from Japan, cooked fast in the microwave. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 1 pint of matcha ice cream. This will be our creamy filling. 100 grams of shiratamako glutinous rice flour. This creates that classic chewy mochi texture. 50 grams of granulated sugar. For sweetness and a glossy finish. 180 milliliters of water. This hydrates the flour into a smooth batter. 50 grams of potato starch, also called katakuriko, for dusting the dough and preventing sticking. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Scoop 8 small balls of matcha ice cream, about 2 tablespoons each. Place them on a tray and freeze until very firm for 30 minutes. In a microwave-safe bowl, whisk 100 grams of shiratamako with 50 grams of sugar until evenly combined. Gradually whisk in 180 milliliters of water until the batter is perfectly smooth with no lumps. Cover the bowl loosely and microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir the mixture thoroughly, scraping the sides, then microwave on high for 1 more minute. Stir again, then microwave for 30 seconds until the mochi turns thick, sticky, and slightly translucent. If it is still loose, microwave 30 seconds more. Dust a tray with 25 grams of potato starch, then scrape the hot mochi onto the starch. Sprinkle the top with the remaining 25 grams of potato starch and let it cool for 10 minutes until warm but pliable. Using a rolling pin, gently roll the mochi into a large rectangle about 3 millimeters thick. Cut 8 circles about 9 centimeters wide, stacking them with a little starch so they do not stick. Place 1 circle in your palm, set 1 frozen ice cream ball in the center, wrap the mochi around it, and pinch to seal tightly. Repeat with the remaining 7 circles and ice cream balls, working quickly and returning any soft ice cream to the freezer. Place the sealed mochi seam side down on a tray and freeze for 15 minutes to set the shape. Before serving, brush off any extra starch, then let the mochi sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 minutes so the skin softens. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Mochi ice cream, soft and creamy with matcha in the middle. If you loved this, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick Japanese treats.